नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का एसएससी क्लासेज में। तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे अपने इम्पॉर्टेंट रिवर्स के बारे में, नदियों के बारे में। देखिए, ज्योग्राफी कवर्स ए गुड नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन मेकिंग इट एन इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक टू कवर इन एसएससी एग्जाम्स। Around 5 to 8 questions asked from geography which surely make it important for you to study the topic well of upcoming SSC exams and other competitive exams. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं अपने पहले टॉपिक से। देखते हैं हमारा पहला टॉपिक क्या है। रिवर इज द बिगेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ वाटर। रिवर्स प्रोवाइड अस वाटर टू ड्रिंक, irrigation, electricity, cook, clean things, and easy and cheap transportations. It is also source of fresh water that flowing naturally towards an ocean, lake, sea, or another river. Rivers flow in channels. The bottom of channel is called the bed and side of the channel are called the banks. Sometimes a river flows into the ground and becomes dry at the ends of its source without reaching another body of water. Rivers begin at their source in higher ground such as mountains or hills, where rainwater or melting snow collects and forms tiny streams. When one stream meets another and they merge together, the smallest stream is known as tributary. It takes many tributary streams to form a river. As a river flows, it carries along material or debris called its load. A river's load includes rocks, stones, and other large particles which are washed along the riverbed. Finer, finer particles float in the water. A river grows larger as it collects water from more tributaries along its course. The river ends at a mouth. In larger rivers, there is often also a wider flood plain shaped by flood waters overtapping the channel. Flood plains may be very wide in relation to the size of the river channels. Next, let's see guys, important rivers in the world. There are so many rivers in all over world. The rivers are determined by its length. The river Nile is longest river in the world. It measures of 6,695 kilometers from its source Borodni along the White Nile to its delta on the Mediterranean Sea. Obviously, the shortest river is the D River. Origin USA, which is just 37 meters long. The biggest river in the world is the Amazon, measured by the amount of water that flows down in it. On average, 1,20,000 cubic meters of water flows out of its mouth every second. The longest river of Europe is the river Olga. It flows primarily in a southerly direction through Russia into the Caspian Sea. Next, I will see to Indian important rivers in India. The important rivers of India are Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Indus, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada, and Tapti. Ganga is the most holy river according to the Hindu. It has started from the Gangotri in the Himalayas and poured into the Bay of Bengal by traveling of around 2,525 kilometers. It is ranked third largest river in the world. There are a number of cities had been developed across the banks of Ganga like Patliputra, Kashi, Allahabad, Varanasi, Kolkata, etc. It had also created the world's largest delta in West Bengal named as Sundarban Delta. Next है हमारा यमुना रिवर. यमुना रिवर had originated from Yamunotri Glacier in the Himalayas, then traveled across several states and merged into the Ganga at Triveni, Allahabad. Its total length in 1,367 kilometers. Yamuna river's water contributed nearly 70% of Delhi's water supply. The Taj Mahal is situated on the banks of Yamuna River. Next है ब्रह्मपुत्रा. Brahmaputra river is originated from Agna क्या लिखा है Angsi glacier. The northern Himalayas in Tibet then entered into the Arunachal Pradesh to Assam and then merged with the Padma river in Bangladesh. Its length is around 2,900 km and plays an important role in the irrigation and transportation. It emptied into the Bay of Bengal. Next हमारा है Indus River. The Indus River is a historically famous in Asia. It originated from the Tibetan Plateau and then flows through the Ladakh, then entered into Pakistan and finally merged into the Arabian Sea after traveling a distance of 3,180 km. Next, Mahanadi. Mahanadi is a major river in the state of Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Mahanadi's water is used in the irrigation and drinking purpose. It is also called the ruins of Odisha due its devastating floods and over the years but till Hirakund Dam was constructed, its total length in 858 km. Next है Godari. Godari is the longest river in the southern India and second largest in India after Ganga. It is originated from the Maharashtra and flows through Andhra Pradesh, then merge into the Bay of Bengal after traveling a distance of 1,465 km. Next है Krishna, the third longest river in India after the Ganga and Godavari. Krishna river which is originated from Mahabaleshwar in Maharashtra and flows through the state of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh and finally merge into the Bay of Bengal by traveling distance 14,000 km. Next river, the Kaveri. The Kaveri river is one of the large rivers in India which is originated from Talakaveri in the western Ghats of Karnataka and flows through the state of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Finally, merge into the Bay of Bengal by traveling distance of 765 km. Next is Narmada. Narmada river is the fifth longest in the Indian subcontinent and it is also called the lifeline of Madhya Pradesh. Due to its huge contribution, Narmada river is originated from Narmada Kund, Amarkantak in Madhya Pradesh and merged into the Arabian Sea near Gujarat after traveling a distance of 1,312 km. Next, Tapti. Tapti river is one of the major rivers in central India. Its total length is around 724 km, which flows through the state of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra and finally merge into the Gulf of Cambay of Arabian Sea near Gujarat. तो ये था दोस्तों आज का हमारा रिवर. अभी हम कुछ डिस्कस करेंगे क्वेश्चन जो आते हैं एसएससी एग्ज़ाम में. तो चलिए अब हम अपना क्वेश्चन देखेंगे किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आते हैं. क्वेश्चन है हमारा विच ऑफ द फ्लोइंग रिवर इज नॉन एज दक्षिण गंगा. कृष्णा, महानदी, गोदावरी. ये क्या है कावेरी. तो हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा गोदावरी. नेक्स्ट हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या है. सॉरी गाइज कुछ टेक्निकल इशू के वजह से क्लास को यहीं स्टॉप करते हैं. तो अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो क्लास को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट अपने क्लास में.